Hi everyone, I am Satyam. I am very excited to share what I make after learning this 5 days self-paced AI agent intensive course with Google. So I will show you. So this is a multi AI agent uh, which this is a multi AI agent that transform lecture transcript into clean summary, then extract jargons with definition that uses Google search and flashcards of important question from the summary. The problem is student often spend hours trying to understand this academic content. He extract key terms, search definitions online, and rewrite long paragraphs into short summaries and prepare flashcards for revisions. This entire workflow is manual and repetitive, and uh, slow down learning. I will I built an education agent to automate this process so students focus on understanding concept instead of doing mechanical preparation work or notes preparation. Why agent? Instead of single prompt, student requires multiple intelligent steps, extracting jargons, finding reliable definition, summarizing the content, and generating flashcard questions. Agents are perfect for doing this because they handle each state independently and in sequence. They can use tools and maintain intermediate state and follow a structured pipeline. This makes the output consistent, accurate, and usable for any topic and any subject, including AI, artificial intelligence, DSA algorithm, etc. The architecture I used is first I pre-process the agent into chunk text, then I extract the jargons, key terms, then I use a search tool to fetch correct definition data suitable for the student, then a summarizer agent that contains ideas into clear bullet points, then a flashcard agent which creates question answer pair for revision, then a HTML formatter UI which shows all these content to the student perfectly. Each agent done one job and the whole chain run automatically. I will show you a demo in the Kaggle notebook that I prepared. So this is the Kaggle notebook that I prepared. So these are the imports and the Kaggle secret I add on in this. These are the imports. I also created a SQLite DB for transcript storage and flashcard storage and agent logs, metrics and vector embeddings. Then I quickly added the transcript. You can upload the transcript as well. This is the transcript for which we generate the summary and jargons, their definitions, and flashcard. Then I quickly added the different agents pipeline. This is the jargon agent, then uh, a definition agent which used Google search tool, then chunk summarizer, then some other, then in last a flashcard agent. Then I run these agents into pipeline organization. I also uh, use offline stuff if online is not available, but I added online so it is available. Then I run the pipeline. Here it is generating the jargon terms and definition. Then this is the uh, summary generated by it. I quickly show the UI. So this is the summary that is generated. Actually the transcript is from generative AI, so it generates generative AI creates novelty of content and this some of the key terms or jargons with their definition and source also shown here. What is generative AI, artificial intelligence, traditional AI, original content, dataset. A dataset is a collection of related data organized. ChatGPT, use prompt and art and design. So these are the jargons that are generated. Also, some of the questions that are created by what is generative AI. So this is the UI. Student can download it for further study. I can update in future work a UI where student download these and store in as an app. So the key features I implemented is sequential multi-agent workflow, tools used to accurate definition, constant journey for chunking, session like management between agent and HTML output rendering for visualization. In short, Edu-Agent reduces hours of manual study work into few seconds and making learning faster and more accessible. Thanks for watching. If you want to try yourself, I will add a link of Kaggle notebook in the chat section. Thank you.